Hi everyone, I hope you're having a very wonderful day. I'm going to go through a few paragraphs from my favorite book, which is called as The Magic. To see and experience the most magical day of your life, you can be grateful for your whole day before you live it. To have a magical day, you simply think through your plans for the day and say the magic words, thank you, for each one going well before you have lived it. It's the easiest thing to do. It only takes a few minutes, but the difference it can make in your day is incredible. Being grateful for your day beforehand creates a magical day through the law of attraction. When you give thanks for the experiences in your day going well, you must receive back experiences going well. To have a magical day, you need to feel good. I don't know of anything other than gratitude that guarantees to put you in a good mood almost instantly. Whatever your plans are for the day today, whether it's traveling, a meeting, work project, lunch, exercise, dropping off, dry cleaning, playing a sport, going to a theater, meeting a friend, yoga, cleaning your house, going to school, buying groceries, turn today into a magical day by saying the magic words thank you for each plan going well before you live it. If you are a person who writes daily lists of things you need to do, then you can go through your daily list and be grateful for each one having gone well. Whether you do this magic practice in your mind or on paper, the most important thing is that you feel the result of each plan or activity was best it could have been. When you use gratitude ahead of time to have a magical day, it wipes out unexpected problems or difficulties before they happen. The more you use this magical practice, the better your days will become. And from the smallest things to the important things, everything starts going well in your life. The bumpy days smooth out, and instead of frustrating or troublesome things happening in your day starts to have a magical flow about them. And things seem to magically go your way with less effort, no worry, no stress, and far more joy. So, the summary of this paragraph is mainly it's a very beautiful concept. I really liked it. So, basically, all what it is saying is even before you do something, say thanks for it and feel the gratitude. And as you start filling your days with more and more gratitude, it's the whole concept is that it would bring in more and more good. So practice gratitude and throughout the day, and I hope you all have a very very wonderful day, not just today but all the days ahead. Thank you.